Welcome once again to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to study about the multiplication of rational expression. Let's get started with our first example. Example 1, multiply 6x cubed all over 15xy squared times 3xy all over 2x squared. So basically what I did first is just to copy this and just copy this, okay? But it's not necessary. What I did is just multiply the number up here like that. 6 times 3 becomes 18, and then followed by the variable x. So the multiplication process is based on how it looks like, or what is it? Is it a number? Is it a letter? Or something like that. So we have here 6 and 3, that's why it's 18. For the x, we will focus only on the x. So x cubed times x, take note that there is an imaginary one here if we don't see a number on top of a variable. So therefore, using the laws of exponent, we just need to add it when we're multiplying. So x cubed times x will give us x to the fourth. And then copy the y. Then the same thing here. 15 times 2 gives me 30. X times x squared, again there's a 1 here, so 1 plus 2 is x cubed, and then y squared. Okay, now let us divide this, and again when you are dividing you have to focus on like thing, or like terms, or like numbers, like x and like y. So let's focus first on the numbers. So we have here 18 divided by 30. So let us simplify this. So the same process like before, we have to think of a number, or the biggest number, where we could divide this 2. So the number will be 6. So if I divide that by 6, this will become 3, and this will become 5. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now, check again 3 and 5. Can you still further divide it by a certain number? No. So therefore, we're going to move on x. Remember, when we are dividing variables, we subtract the exponent. Okay? So the question is, where are we going to put the x once we finish? Take a look at the 4 and the 3. Which one is bigger? The bigger is on the top. So that's where we're going to put the x. So this is 4 minus 3 will give us x, place on top. What about the y? Where are we going to put the y? Here or here? If the answer is at the denominator, you are correct. The y will be placed at the denominator. So this is 2 minus 1 give us 1y. So therefore, our final answer is 3x all over 5y. Okay? Let's move on to our next example. Multiply x plus 6 all over x plus 4 times 2x plus 8 all over 3x plus 18. Again, I just copied it. Okay? In this situation, we cannot cancel the x here, because the operation here are not multiplication. We could only cancel if the operation is multiplication, or they are totally the same. So can you think of an expression we could cancel here? What we did is actually, since this I cannot factor this and I cannot factor this one, I just copied it. Okay? But this one I could factor this by 2, so it looks like this. And this one I could factor them by 3. So now take a look closely. Can we cancel anything? Yes, we can cancel this and this one. And this and this one. Okay? So what's left now is just 2 over 3. The next example. X squared minus 4y squared all over x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared times 3x minus 6y divided by x plus y. Let me emphasize again. We cannot cancel this because there's an operation here that is minus. It should only be multiplication. Okay? Let's just have the expression again. So if we cannot cancel anything, therefore we should think of factoring. So we have to factor this if we can. Also this one, this, and this. Let us see. So the factor of x squared minus 4y squared is this. If you forgot your factoring, I will link the videos below, so check it out. Okay? And then this one, the factor is this one. Times this one can be factored by 3. Common is 3. So we have this and this one. Now, we can now cancel this. They are the same, and the operation between them is multiplication, so that's okay. And that one, and that one. Okay? So the final answer will be 3. Let's move on. Now, let us see if you understood the lesson. Let me just emphasize, we can only cancel if the operation is multiplication. Let's have our first question. Question number 1. Multiply and simplify 15x cubed y all over 10x squared times 2xy all over 3y squared. Okay, let's have the time. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. Okay? Ready? It's almost time. Okay, so the correct answer is x squared over y. Let's have the next one. Question number 2. Multiply and simplify x squared plus 5x all over 2x times 6x squared all over 3x plus 15. Let's start the time. Once again, if you want more time, you can pause the video. Okay, almost there. So let us see what will be your answer. So the answer is x squared. Okay, let's have one more. Multiply and simplify x squared minus 9 all over x squared minus 6x plus 9 and x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared plus 10x plus 21. The answer is x plus 3 all over x. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video. Remember, it's cool being wise. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.